Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I got this Porsche 911 SC I was working on last week. I was showing you guys how we finished doing the actual rear tail lights, wiring harness all repaired, and then we found out after that the actual front actually parking light wasn't actually not working. So every time we go to actually turn it on, this fuse here blew up, which is that one there. So what I've done, I've put one of these in here so I can actually just press reset the button there. Otherwise I'll run out of fuse from my actual fuse supply there, so I can just reset it like that. So it's a good thing to have when you're actually testing cars. But actually, yeah, what I found is actually on the right hand side there, somebody have connected the wiring up the wrong way. So instead they had the actual they had the earth was connected to the globe here, and then that 12-volt signal was connected to the actual earth on the actual on the headlight. So it was connected wrong, causing the actual wiring to actually the fuse to melt. At the same time, some of the wiring it's not really that good anyway, so I remove everything together. I mean, throw everything out. Everything's out here. So now what I'm doing now, I'm going to repair this as well. See this wiring here? This is for the actual indicator. This one here. So look how somebody have just wired up left like that. Look, they're nearly touching each other. See the pins? Just about to touch each other, and then it's going to short out. So I'm going to cut this one off, these terminals off, cut it off, and then join them together with solder, but at the same time using the actual connectors that we're using at the back, the waterproof connectors. Same on this side here. Look at this. That's how they left it. Just left it wide open like that. Look at the power there. Power wire is wide open like that, and that was like this. That was like that when I took it out. So that was going to show on the body as well. And I'm going to tidy up. At the same time, I want to put a H4 LED into the headlight, because on these old girls here you can't even see if you put the actual light on high beam or low beam. You can't see nothing. So repair that properly. I want to double check the fuse board, put everything back together. I've done the tuning already, but I've got to do a big run, come back and do a double check as well. It's a few things to double check on the old cars. Sometimes you got to let it sit cold, or check it when it's hot, check it when it's cold. Engine start, make sure the injector starting. Make sure the cold injector is actually spraying when you put the key on. Just things like that. But now that's all done. Repair the harness down here as well. It was all shorted here as well, and that side there. A lot of stuff on the old cars. There's no point checking anything by checking the wire. Just pull everything apart like this and then check it properly, because there's no point mucking around with just one wire. All right. Yeah, so that's all sorted out. So now I'm gonna do the repair, and then once I finish, I'll show you the actual picture I took before I'll show you the picture I took when the actual wires were connected wrong.